So today what we're going to be doing is just a quick video on how to adjust the brakes on the trailer. Although with it being so easy, it is simple to overlook it. Everybody should be checking them. The fact of the matter is, not everybody does. Whether it be they don't know how, they think it'll take too long. I mean, there's just a ton of different things that it could be. So what I'm going to do, just real fast, this one's already hooked up. I was doing something else with it. I'm gonna get it turned on, get the pressure built up, and then you do leave the tractor parking brakes engaged, but the trailer, you're gonna have to release the brakes. Alright, so your slack adjuster is right here. Okay, the adjustment screw itself, I've already got it on there. And I believe it was 11:30 seconds is what I've got it on there right now for this one. Most of them are pretty much going to be the same. But the way that works is the rod that you have right here, whenever you release the brakes, you're going to apply tension to it. It's going to straighten out the rod, and then the brake pads right here are going to push against the drum. Now you're going to want to tighten it out as tight as it'll go, and then go back a half or a quarter turn. Should set everything the way that it's supposed to. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully when I get it started up, disengage the tractor or the trailer brakes, you'll see the way the drum works and the way that the brakes themselves work. I'll show you how to adjust them, and then we'll make sure that everything's good with them. Okay, so like you saw, extremely easy process. Not much to it at all. You can see it's seated in there. Ran it out as much as I could, or tightened it down as much as I could, and then turned off that half turn there. And that is it. Like I said, nothing super difficult about it, but then you're going to have where your pads are wearing wrong. It's just going to speed up the process, or you could get into the process to where the brakes don't work at all, due to them just being out of adjustment. So definitely a safety concern, plus it is a DOT violation. Something quick, easy, just to check on to make sure that everything's working right. And that's it. If you hadn't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.